Sean Anthony's turbocharged 7-second Ford Barra-powered XD Falcon is a well-known car in the Victorian street car scene. Previously producing around 1500 horsepower, the car has received a ton of new fabrication work thanks to Riot Lab. While up front, Sean has upgraded to a new billet engine block, as we recently covered in a Dandy Engines build video. The engine has now been installed in the car, and we caught up with Sean at Tunnel Vision's dyno, where Nathaniel from FuelTech was running the engine in. The Barra is using the same Nitto 3.8 litre crank and a Garrett G55 98mm turbo as before, but a major change has been the switch from E85 to methanol fuel. This means the water-to-air intercooler is no longer required. Sean has entered this year's Street Machine Drag Challenge, so expect to see him testing at the track very soon. So that was the first time that engine has seen any load. How's that for running an engine in? Now, someone asked if this is a street car. Can you see those stubby holders in the back seat here? All set up for drag challenge. Just a lazy 1893 horsepower.
Yep.
Does it make more because you're running through gears, technically on the dyno? Or?
Well, there's a little bit more CO2 in it from what it was before, but no, like it's, if you whack all the boost in it in low gear, a lot of the time you'll get it, it'll smack the retarder on the change more than anything. But you can see it made it through the change, which is the wiggle.
Yeah.
And then it carried it out the back. So what it saw at the top gear is
still the same.
The real boost
out,
that it's got in the second part as well.
Yeah.
So it's much of a muchness. But you can see it laid over out the back, which I think is just, I actually put some fuel in it out the back as a safety precaution because it doesn't have an intercooler, but it probably didn't need it.
What boost have you got on it now?
That should have been like maybe 65 pounds. I'll have a look.
Now the methanol fumes are getting a bit strong in here. It's,
Gonna need a fucking mask.
I should have my gas mask on because even though all windows are up, methanol doesn't matter. Methanol gets in your head.
Finds a way.
Fresh merch alert. If you're a fan of the FG Falcon, this is a perfect tee. Yes, it's a street car with its parachute and all, just as you'd see at the drags. Get on it. I'm going to get more designs out with more cars.